Final morning, we woke up, the weather had finally caught up to us. It was blowing 15 to 20 out of the worst direction. We knew there was gonna be no place to ride around the island. Lucky for us though, right by the hotel we saw there was this quarry. We didn't know how deep it was. We went over there, checked it out. Plenty of depth, a little hectic to ride in there still, tight turns, but you know, we were able to get it done with the boat and actually have a really fun session. Derek did some double ups. I strapped into the wakeboard, which is always an awesome time for me, and just made the best out of what could have been, the worst day we had over here. So when it was all said and done, we got everyone off to the airport. It was just an amazing trip. It couldn't have gone better. I was so excited to be able to show people this place that's so near and dear to me, somewhere I've visited my whole life. This is where I vacation with my family, and it's just such a beautiful place with beautiful people, and people don't realize that outside of what you see in the postcard of all the beautiful water and the underwater fish, there's so much culture and personality here, and it's just such a great experience. So I was so happy to share that with everyone, and couldn't be more thankful to have the Yamaha here to accommodate all of it, and wakeboarding for tagging along. So who knows where your board will take you.